Westermans here with a Swiftcut that's just arrived. It's a 2500 WT waterbed, fitted with the Hypertherm 65 with torch height control. Year is 2015. Machine is either going to be sold as is or fully serviced to order. Machine is in need of a good clean down. More details can be found on westermans.com or email in welding@westermans. Nice little machine. I believe the input voltage is 415 volts or 3-phase, 400 volts. Also works on a 380 supply. Ideal machine for starter up, or in some cases a production machine, but with a 65. Could go bigger on the plasma, anything up to a 125. Or possibly an 85 or a 105. There are other options. As it's a waterbed table, it's a lot more dirtier than the normal fume extraction bed, but does save on the cost of a fume extraction unit. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. This will be now listed, and request prices by emailing or looking on the website. Thank you for looking.